Imagine waking up to your morning alarm and a T-Rex roar echoing outside your window. Birds? Gone. Because now we've got the original models back. Today we're asking, what if dinosaurs returned because of a scientific accident? And more importantly, how long would humans last?
Let's say a genetics lab somewhere on Earth is trying to study ancient DNA. Maybe they're attempting to fix modern animal extinctions, or just trying to grow a chicken with a cooler tail. But something goes wrong. A glitch in the system, a wrong gene activated, or maybe someone clicked run all instead of run sample.
Boom! A chain reaction starts recreating DNA from millions of years ago. Within days, embryos turn into creatures that have absolutely zero interest in modern human zoning laws.
First, the small ones hatch. Tiny raptor-like dinosaurs, the size of chickens, darting around like feathered troublemakers. They'd probably invade every backyard, steal dog food, and cause chaos at grocery store parking lots.
Then the medium guys show up. Hadrosaurs, ceratopsians, early sauropods. Suddenly, your city park has a 5-ton plant eater who thinks the swing set is delicious. And yes, eventually the big predators hatch. T-Rex, Giganotosaurus, and a few creatures so large you'd check the sky just to make sure they're not actually aircraft.
Would we be doomed instantly? Surprisingly, no. We're a stubborn species. We'd adapt fast. Cities would deploy electric barriers. Farmers would build dino-proof fences. Insurance companies would start selling T-Rex damage protection, which sounds funny until you realize they'd absolutely charge $299 a month for it.
But nature doesn't care about our systems.
A T-Rex running at full speed? That's the equivalent of a truck with teeth. Raptors learning to open doors again? Yeah, they'd remember. Ecosystems would go wild too. Herbivores would mow down forests. Predators would take over roadways. Even birds would panic, because technically, their ancestors just returned to take the throne. Technology helps, but not fully. You can't drone strike every triceratops that wanders onto a highway. So humans do what humans always do. We relocate. Cities shrink, safe zones appear, people move to areas where dinosaurs simply can't survive. Cold regions, deserts, islands, anywhere that giant reptiles would hate. Eventually, we'd get used to it. Imagine weather reports. 60% chance of rain, 20% chance of Stegosaurus blocking the freeway. Or school announcements. Due to dinosaur activity, outdoor recess is canceled for the 14th day in a row.
But here's the twist. The dinosaurs wouldn't stay the same. Because we revived them using modern genes, they'd evolve fast. Within a few generations, we'd have new species. Dinosaurs adapted to cities, living among skyscrapers, sneaking into subways, maybe even climbing fire escapes like giant scaly raccoons. We wouldn't be living on our planet anymore. We'd be sharing it with creatures built for a world we never experienced.
So what would truly happen if dinosaurs came back by accident? Humanity wouldn't go extinct, but our lifestyle would change completely. Nature would get louder, wilder, and more unpredictable. And we'd be reminded that Earth isn't ours alone. It just lets us stay here as long as we behave. If you enjoyed this little trip into a dino-infested future, hit the like button, drop a comment telling me which dinosaur you'd totally adopt, and subscribe for more wild what-if adventures.